Thank you. Prime Minister, Minister, PSs, Fong and Karan, my colleague from New Zealand, Jonathan, the ANZMAT team, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, PM, for your very kind words in your speech. And can I say that I commend your government's efforts in fighting this dreadful outbreak. Right from the outset, from last April, and particularly since this April, you've provided decisive and strong leadership, and you've made the tough decisions that are required to be made, and you've made them quickly. The vaccine rollout and the testing regime rates in Fiji are world-class in per capita terms, and your government and those responsible need to be commended. Can I commend, like you did, Prime Minister, all of Fiji's frontline staff and the leadership of the Health Ministry for putting their lives on the line day in and day out. They literally are keeping Fijians well and alive, and they deserve all of our gratitude. With New Zealand, PM, we stand shoulder to shoulder with you during this outbreak. As Jonathan said, between the two of us, we will provide enough vaccines by August to vaccinate every single eligible Fijian. By Saturday, we will have delivered 450,000 vaccines. By this time next week, we will have delivered 550,000 vaccines, and I hope in the first week of August to have another 300,000 vaccines with you. AstraZeneca vaccines are safe, they are effective, they prevent people dying, they prevent people getting infected. I've had them, I'm fully vaccinated now, my family have had them, all of my staff have had them. None of us have had any reaction. As Jonathan said, the ANZMAT team is here in support of Fiji's own efforts, and it's in direct response to a request from your government, Prime Minister. They are here to support your efforts. It is a tangible sign of the partnership between our three countries and the strength of that partnership. And it is entirely fitting that in your time of need, New Zealand and Australia respond in the way they have. Can I thank the leadership of the Alpha team, Brian and Wayne? As Jonathan said, you've worked so very hard in the short time you've been here, and I know that all of us have appreciated your wise counsel, your advice. You go home with our very best wishes for a job well done. Working together, pulling together, we can defeat this virus, but it will take every single one of us to do it. And I urge all Fijians to take heed of the messages that Dr. Fong and his team put out every night about safe practices, about vaccine take-up. I'd also like to echo Jonathan's acknowledgement of the tremendous leadership provided by Dr. Fong during these very difficult times. Sir, you've been an inspiration to all Fijians and to all of those in Fiji as well. Finally, can I just say one thing? God bless Fiji, God bless New Zealand, and God bless Australia. Thank you.